My name is Miranda Peck, and I am a graduating senior in the class of 2025 at the Meadows School. I found that the college counseling was the most helpful. I kind of struggled with figuring out what I wanted to even do in college, but when I did college counseling here, the counselor really helped me narrow down exactly what it is I want to do, help me reflect on my experiences in high school and see where that kind of leads me. Yeah, so I really struggled writing my personal essay. I had a lot of different small ideas here and there that I thought maybe they would work, but when I actually sat down to write them, I found I was really struggling. I was kind of staring at that blank screen for a while. But what the college counselor did was he really helped me find which of those ideas was the best one and how to tie that into the activities I've been doing and just make overall a really solid composition of what it means to be myself. Yeah. I would say I was most passionate about my summer research. So I did a very lengthy research paper on the siege of Syracuse by the Romans. And I kind of found throughout that process that I do actually really enjoy going through the literature on that. I enjoyed reading even primary sources, secondary sources, and it kind of solidified for me that I want to go into a research program in college, which I am doing. So I got into the Rawlings Presidential Cornell Research Scholars Program, where I will be able to receive funding to do my own research, which is very exciting. I would say it's kind of hard to know where to start, but if there's programs or schools that you've heard of or might already know you're kind of interested in, definitely just go into their websites, do your own research, and I find that it kind of helps cement which things are important and helps you build goals so that you can actually get into those programs and schools. I look forward to trying out a lot of new things in college. I find that in high school I did a lot of different kind of activities. I did robotics, and then I did Latin, and then I did research, and I kind of want to find ways to take all those things and make an interdisciplinary study for myself, and also just trying out new things like study abroad, maybe go try out archaeology, that kind of thing.